Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to talk about comments. Comments in C are basically a non-executable text used to provide documentation for the code. It provides clarity to the C source code, allowing others to better understand what the code was intended to accomplish. It is always recommended to use comments in your code. We already mentioned that we have two types of comments, the single line comment and the multi-line comment. The single line comment is basically any line preceded by two forward slashes. As you can see, the forward slash is the sign that you can easily write using your keyboard, and this is the final shape, two forward slashes, and this is your comment. While the multi-line comment is any text starts with a forward slash followed by asterisk and ends with an asterisk followed by a forward slash. And this is how it looks. Forward slash, asterisk, and asterisk, then forward slash. This is the multi-line comment. Now we already showed you how to write these comments, but let's refresh our memory. Now as you can see, this is the forward slash followed by an asterisk, and this is an asterisk followed by forward slash. Now if you close this, you can see that these two comments are together, and these two forward slashes are followed by one line, which is the one line comment. Now another piece of information that we can mention is that when you write two forward slashes anywhere, even inside the main function, they will be treated as a comment. Now if we want to comment this line, printf, we simply add two forward slashes, as you can see here. Now these two forward slashes will mean that this sentence won't be executed. So let's save this file. Let's open it using cmd. We need to use the same name, gcc one first C code.c. And as you can see, because our file name has all of these spaces, it won't be compiled correctly. So in order to compile a C code, the name must include no spaces. And this is a very important note. Now save your file again and remove the spaces. Now let's do this one more time. Let's go to file, open cmd, and write gcc, write the file name one first C code.c. Now as you can see, we didn't leave a space. Okay, let's leave this space. Now the code compiled correctly. If we try to run the exe, nothing will be printed because we commented the line called printf. This is our first C code. Now if we remove the comment, save the file again by clicking here, and went back to this command window, we can run the command again, and we can use the a.exe to see our output. This is our first C code, as you can see in here. This is how you can use multi-line comments or single line comments, and this is how you can use them in debugging as well. So if you suspect that this line is causing a problem, you can simply comment it using single line comment with two forward slashes, or double line comment using the forward slash and asterisk, then the asterisk and forward slash. That's it. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.